This is iScooter iX4, an electric scooter with a ridiculous amount of LED lights, 800 watts of power, dual suspension system, and a lot more features, and it costs just under £550 in the UK. Let's take a look. The iX4 comes in a pretty standard looking box, and it arrived safely without transportation damage. Inside the box, you get a charger, a few cables, some paperwork, tools, and a set of keys. I found the build quality of the scooter to be very good. It is built of high quality materials and it doesn't seem to break anytime soon. It weighs 25 kilograms and it is very easy to fold and unfold. I like the fact that you can adjust the handlebar height and even fold the handles, a feature missing on most e-scooters. One of the highlights, the LED lighting system. You can rest assured that you'll be seen by everyone as LEDs are implemented all over the place. In addition to this, the dual front lights are one of the brightest I've seen on a scooter. Besides, there is an integrated brake light and turn signals on the sides. The only flaw, there could be additional turn signal LED lights on the back. Despite this flaw, this is probably the coolest LED lighting system I've seen on an electric scooter. Other key features, the iX4 has an 800 watts rear wheel hub motor with a climbing capability of up to 35%, 48 volts, 15 amps built-in battery, 10-inch tires, up to 45 kilometers speed when you unlock the speed limit through the app, 150 kilograms load capacity, mechanical disc brake on the front and back, plus electronic brake on the back wheel with ABS control. Also, this e-scooter has an IPX4 water resistance certification. I really like this LCD display that shows information like speed, battery left, it indicates a headlight, cruise control, gear, total mileage, and so on. Also, you can choose between Eco, Standard, and Turbo power modes. The electric horn is pretty loud. Here is a quick test. Now let's talk about the riding experience. For reference, my weight is about 75 kilograms and my height is about 170 centimeters. Riding the iX4 is a lot of fun. You can immediately feel the power of an 800-watt motor once you hit the throttle. I tested the scooter on asphalt, gravel, forest paths, grass, and so on, and it usually had more than enough power to conquer that kind of terrain. While there are more powerful scooters out there, I think that iX4 offers enough power for most people. This e-scooter is quite comfortable to ride, it feels stable on the road, the pad has decent anti-skid properties, and the handles are comfy to hold. Besides, the iX4 does not make any rattling noise, which is nice. 45 km per hour feels very fast on an e-scooter, and I recommend riding it at a maximum speed only on asphalt for safety. The brakes are very impressive as they stop the scooter fast without making any squeaking noise. Overall, the riding experience is very good. You can feel the power, the brakes are good, and I feel comfortable riding it. The maximum declared range is 45 kilometers. In practice, I could get over 30 kilometers, which is a decent result considering that I mostly used it off-road. The charging time of the non-removable battery is about 8 hours. You can connect the scooter to the phone using the app and adjust the power, lock and unlock it, control the lights, cruise control, set the speed limit, and so on. Overall, the iScooter iX4 is a really nice and feature-packed e-scooter for the price. The only flaw is the lack of turn signals on the back, but the ones implemented on the sides of the e-scooter do the job quite well. Other than that, it is a solid e-scooter with plenty of power, an awesome-looking LED lighting system, good brakes, decent range, and a good overall riding experience. What do you think about this e-scooter? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.